Have you got your FMB Visa debit card yet?
No. Why?
Then what are you waiting for? Apply for an FMB Visa debit card and automatically enter a draw to win ShopRite shopping vouchers worth 150,000 kwacha, 100,000 kwacha, and 50,000 kwacha.
Tell me more.
Use your FMB Visa debit card in Malawi for payments and purchases totaling 50,000 kwacha or more and stand a chance to win an all-paid-for return trip plus 3-night stay for 2 in Cape Town, South Africa in the Go Visa promotion. Consolation prizes: 2-night stay for 2 at any Sunbird Hotel in Malawi and lunch or dinner for 2 at a local restaurant of your choice.
Wow!
FMB Visa debit card makes everyday life much easier as you have access to your money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year, all the time to easily pay for your goods and services in over 28 million outlets worldwide. It's absolutely convenient. Get your FMB Visa debit card now and be part of the Go Visa promotion. Promotion runs from 9th June to 31st August 2014. Terms and conditions apply. FMB Visa debit card. Absolute convenience. Get yours today.